Assalamualaikum and welcome to Cambridge Chemistry channel with Sarwat Ahmed. This is chemistry paper 1 multiple choice uh, question multiple choice paper 970112 from October November 2020. Let's start. Question number 1. What is the average oxidation number of sulfur in each compound? Let's check. Calcium carrying 2 positive, hydrogen carrying 1 into 2, and sulfur we have to calculate oxygen carrying -2 charge into it. 2 positive plus 2 plus 2s plus 6 multiplied by -2 is equal to 0. 4 plus 2s plus -6 12 is equal to 0. 2s minus 8 is equal to 0. 2s is equal to 8 and s is equal to 4. So this is 4. Sodium Na2S2O3 is equal to 0. Sodium carrying +1, oxygen carrying -2. 2 atoms of sodium plus 1 plus 2s minus 3 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2s minus 6 is equal to 0. 2s minus 4, 2s is equal to 4 and s is equal to 2. So this is 2. A option must be correct. Question number 2. An ore manganese containing 4% by mass of Mn2 and no other manganese compound. Which mass of manganese would be obtained from 1 ton of this ore? Suppose 100 kg contain 4 kg mass of MnO2. 1000 kg is equal to x. X is equal to 4 into 1000 divided by 100 is equal to is equal to 40 kg. So manganese oxide ratio Mn. Manganese dioxide contains MnO2. MnO2 is equal to 54.9 plus 32. This is 86.9 contain 54.9 manganese. So what would be the mass of manganese if 40 cross multiply? X is equal to 54.9 into 40 divided by 86.9. So this is equal to 54.9 into 40 divided by 54.9 into 40 divided by 86.9. This is equal to 25.27, which is 25.3 kg. So A is the best option. Question number 3. Which atomic orbitals are occupied in an atom of phosphorus? 1p, 2s, 2p. This is phosphorus 15, 1s2, 2s2, 2p 6, 3s2, 3p 3. So 1p, 2s, 2p. So this is not correct. 2s, 2p and 2d. 2s, 2p is there, but 2d is not there. So this is correct. Incorrect. 2s is there, 2p is there, and 3s there. So this must be correct. So this 2p, 3s, 3d is not there, 3s there, 3p. So this is also incorrect. Question number 4. The structure of compound A is shown. Compound A, some of the carbon atoms in compound have a tetrahedral arrangement of bonds. Some of carbon atoms in compound A have trigonal planar arrangement of bonds. How many carbon atoms are there of each type? Tetrahedral and trigonal planar. So this is tetrahedral. This is tetrahedral, this is tetrahedral, this tetrahedral. This is tetrahedral. This carbon is also tetrahedral. H2O and O. Yes, this is also tetrahedral. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is trigonal planar. This is trigonal planar. This is also trigonal planar. This is trigonal planar. This is trigonal planar, trigonal planar, trigonal planar, and trigonal planar. This is tetrahedral, this is tetrahedral. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 and 8, this must be correct. D option is correct. Question number 4. A white powder is known to be a mixture of magnesium oxide and aluminum oxide. 100 centimeter cube of 2 mole per dm cube sodium hydroxide is just enough to dissolve the aluminum oxide in X gram. Let's calculate moles of sodium hydroxide is equal to 2 into 100 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.2, and mole of aluminum oxide Al2O3 OH, this is 1:2, and this is 0.2 ratio X. 0.2 divided by 2 is equal to 0.1. So aluminum oxide in X gram is in sodium hydroxide when dissolved, this is 0.1 mole of aluminum oxide. Now this is HCl is equal to 1000 is equal to 1.6. So aluminum oxide ratio HCl 1:6 and 0.1 mole ratio X. This is 0.6 mole of HCl. Total mole is equal to 1.6 moles of HCl react with aluminum oxide is 0.6. Leftover mole is equal to 1.6 minus 0.6. This is equal to 1 mole. Now let's calculate the 0.10 of aluminum oxide is correct. Now let's calculate the moles of magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide ratio H positive 1:2 and 1:X. X is equal to 1/2, which is equal to 0.50 mole. So this is correct and 0.50 mole. D option is correct. A graph of PV against T is shown. Shown for a fixed mass of a gas, P is equal to pressure, V is equal to volume, and T is equal to temperature in Kelvin. We know that T is directly proportional to V. T is also directly proportional to P. T is directly proportional to PV. So at higher temperature, PV is directly proportional to T. By increasing temperature, PV is also increased. Which gas gives this graph over the widest range of the temperature and pressure? Hydrogen is smaller molecule. Hydrogen chloride has permanent dipole forces. Hydrogen F has HF is hydrogen bond, and oxygen is ID forces, induced dipole forces, but it is larger than hydrogen. So hydrogen is a smaller molecule and ID forces. So hydrogen gas gives this graph over the widest range of temperature and pressure. So A option is correct. Question number 7. A weather balloon is filled with 12 kg helium. The weather balloon reaches a height of 20 km. The pressure inside the balloon is 6000 Pascal and the temperature is 216 Kelvin. 20 km, 12 kg. So PV is equal to nRT, and volume is equal to nRT over P. Let's calculate the number of moles. 12,000 divided by 4 is equal to 3000. Now V is equal to 3000 into 8.31 into 216 temperature divided by pressure is 6000. It is equal to 897, and because this is dm cube and this is meter cube, so 897,000 dm cube. This C option is correct. Which pair of enthalpy changes will always share the same sign? Both are always exothermic or both are always endothermic. Enthalpy change, option A, enthalpy change of atomization and enthalpy change of neutralization. This is negative, this is positive, so it is incorrect. Enthalpy change of atomization is endothermic, enthalpy change of solution is negative or positive. Enthalpy change of combustion is negative, enthalpy change of hydration is also an exothermic. C option must be correct. Enthalpy change of solution minus or positive, enthalpy change of hydration is negative, so C option must be correct. Chlorine dioxide reacts with sodium hydroxide in the reaction shown. Which statement correctly describes this redox reaction? Chlorine atoms are oxidized. Over here chlorine atom is oxidized, ClO2 and ClO3. Let's calculate ClO2 is equal to 0. X plus Cl plus Cl plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 is equal to plus 4. This is plus 4. ClO2 minus 1. Cl plus 2 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 4 plus 5. ClO2 minus 1 plus 3 minus plus 3. ClO3 is equal to minus 1. Cl plus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Cl minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Cl is equal to minus 1 plus 6 plus 5. So chlorine is, this is reduced and it is oxidized. Chlorine atoms are oxidized and oxygen atoms are reduced. It is not correct. Chlorine atoms are reduced and oxygen atoms are oxidized. Some chlorine atoms are oxidized and some chlorine atoms are reduced. This is correct. C option is correct. Question number 10. Sulfur dioxide and oxygen react to form sulfur trioxide. The reaction is reversible. Kp is equal to 2.96 into 10 raised power to minus 9 at 700 degrees centigrade. The reaction is allowed to reach equilibrium at 700 degrees centigrade. The partial pressure of O2 is 375 kilopascal and partial pressure of sulfur trioxide is 20.3 kilopascal. We know that Kp is equal to partial pressure of SO3 divided by partial pressure of sulfur dioxide, partial pressure of oxygen. Kp is equal to Kp into partial pressure of SO2 is equal to PSO3 is 20.3 divided by oxygen is 375. Kilopascal. So Pascal it is 1000 into 1.0989 Pascal. Kilopascal. Now kilopascal Kp is SO2 is equal to 1098.9 Pascal. Partial pressure of sulfur dioxide is equal to 1098.9 divided by 2.96 into 10 raised to minus 9. Yes, this is the Kp. It is equal to, this is equal to 37125 Pascal is equal to twice. So SO2 by taking under root is equal to 37125. It is equal to 609 kilopascal. So B option is correct.